excited? You? We just saw our first show at SeaWorld. It's been like 15, 16 years since we've been here. What did y'all think?
What did y'all think?
Awesome. Did you like it, dude? Yeah?
My first time seeing this place.
Oh yeah, his first time coming to SeaWorld.
I wasn't born at the time they went.
We're gonna go see some alligators next. We stuck all the kids on the train ride so we can enjoy it. Where are they at over there?
They're over there.
Oh, there they are on the train over there.
We were trying to get them to look like they were going super fast. But just they didn't pick up their hats.
Nope. All right, so here's one of the cool parts about SeaWorld is they have the flamingos just basically wandering in this pond here where you could just see them basically not behind cages or anything. That's pretty cool. That's the coolest thing that they had here at SeaWorld, and I know we came years ago and they had it the same. Actually, they had them walking on the road here.
Yes.
And so
they take them out and do a little stroll.
yeah, so
Not sure they do that still.
I'm not sure. They used to have the little flamingos walking around the streets, but this is how they have them here, and it's pretty cool. Angelina loves flamingos. That's her favorite. Let me show you your hat. She even got a flamingo hat, so it's one of her favorite pink animals. Who are we here to see, Ambrose? The orcas? You excited for the orcas? Yeah? What are you most excited for?
Aren't them splashing around and stuff?
Are we? We're in the splash zone, aren't we? Yeah? It's gonna be fun?
Okay, so we're leaving SeaWorld, and this time around I didn't get to see or pay attention to too much of the gardens here. But every single place around here in SeaWorld had so many beautiful plants, just like the San Antonio Zoo. So I did notice a lot of geraniums. I've been keeping my geraniums indoors because it gets really hot in San Antonio. But look, I've been seeing geraniums out here, and the weather has been very, very pretty here. Those right there, I think, are what you call Mexican petunias.
Yeah, it's a Mexican petunia.
But I love coming to these places and get some inspiration to see what grows and what does really, really well and what they put together in containers. There's Portulaga right here. How beautiful is that with the vinca? So that's another reason why I love coming here. We're leaving already. SeaWorld. And I know my family hates for me to do this all the time, but I did hold back today just so they would and I wouldn't get to them with the plants. But look at that. Before we leave, I just want to show you. You can grow stuff here in San Antonio. So I don't want to hear that you can't and that it's too hot, because you definitely can grow a lot of beautiful things. And say bye-bye. Look at that sun, guys. It's coming down. Come on. Say bye, girls.